Okay, this is a quick little video on some S10 swap headers. These are Flowtechs. There's the part number there. And for an 82 to 04 S10 LS swap. They're stainless, 1 5/8 primaries. I believe it's a 2.5 inch collector. Got that. So you have the collector tubes there, and they've already got the O2 bungs in as well. So that's kind of nice. You've got mounting hardware, and then you've got gaskets as well. So let's see here, clearance. These sit pretty tight to the block. I mean, you can see right there. I mean, it's almost touching the block. But I mean, there's very close clearances if you want. You know, since this spins, you can orient that however you want it. So, you know, something to pay attention to would be your transmission as well, depending on what you're running there. But, I mean, it wouldn't be hard to just basically dump these straight down. Let's see here, that's obviously passenger side there. And then driver's side dumps more straight down to, so that might actually be close there, your oil filter. And this is a truck pan, so depending on what you're running, you know, you may have clearance issues there with that. But again, depending on how you dump that out, you should be able to clear that pretty well. For me, this is going in a Crown Vic, an O2 Crown Vic, so I had some pretty tight tolerances on the upper control arms, and these cleared better than the factory van or truck manifolds. So hopefully that gives you an idea there of, you know, clearances and how things sit. Let's see, back of the block, about there. Let's see, passenger side, there is back of the block there. So, all right, hope that helps you guys out.